every day hundreds of people from many countries using it.
Yeah.
And I use it and my team use it every single day. So how often we use AI? Every single day. And it, without a doubt, replaced probably 2 full-time mathematicians in my team. So a lot of quantitative analysis. Most of my Monte-Carlo is done in AI today. So I have absolutely no doubt that's the future of risk management, which is quite exciting because it really lowers the bar. Previously, you have to have a risk management department or insurance department cannot survive without a full-time quant. And today, I think we've lowered the bar. Any person who is kind of curious and understands the basic of statistics and the probability management and decision science and insurance with AI can now do all the calculations necessary, which is pretty crazy.